In this video, I will show you how to fix a completely black screen on an LG Smart TV, even when you can't access the menu. Before calling a technician, try these safe fixes at home. Let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome back to Fix It Tech. Here you'll find simple tech tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and useful Windows tips to help you fix common problems. If you're new here, consider subscribing so you never miss future videos. Start by checking the power connection. Make sure the power cable is firmly connected to both the TV and the wall outlet. If you are using a power strip, surge protector, or extension cord, remove it and plug the TV directly into a wall outlet that you know is working. Then try turning on the TV by pressing the physical power button on the TV itself. If the screen is still black, unplug the TV from the wall outlet. Find the physical power button, which is usually located underneath the TV or on one of the sides. Press and hold this button for 30 seconds to drain the remaining power from the TV. After 30 seconds, release the button and leave the TV unplugged for another 60 seconds. Then plug the TV back into the wall outlet and turn it on using the physical power button. Now check the remote control. Remove the batteries from the remote, then press and hold the power button on the remote for 20 to 30 seconds. After that, put the batteries back into the remote. Once the TV is connected to power again, try turning it on with the remote. Next, disconnect everything that is connected to the TV. Remove all HDMI cables and disconnect devices such as cable boxes, streaming devices, gaming consoles, and soundbars. Turn on the TV while nothing is connected to it. If the picture comes back, reconnect each device one at a time to find out which device is causing the problem. For the final check, turn on the TV and listen for sound. Then turn on your phone's flashlight and shine it very close to the screen from an angle. Look carefully to see whether there is a faint image or moving picture on the screen. If you can see a faint image, the LED backlight has failed, and the TV needs professional repair. And there you have it. I hope this step-by-step guide helps you fix the black screen on your LG Smart TV without any stress. If one of these methods worked for you, or if you still have a question, drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear how it went.